Hi everyone, welcome to EasyOnline Start. If you've ever wanted to earn money online but felt it was too confusing or overwhelming, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down 5 of the best beginner-friendly ways to start earning online in 2025. These are methods that don't need big investments, advanced skills, or special equipment. By the end of this video, you'll have clear ideas you can start on right away. So let's jump in. If you're looking for one of the fastest ways to start earning money online, freelancing is a fantastic option. Unlike methods requiring a long setup time, freelancing lets you monetize skills you already have. Think about what you're good at. Whether it's a professional skill or a hobby you've perfected, there's a high chance someone will pay you for it. This direct path from skill to income is what makes freelancing so powerful and accessible. The internet has revolutionized how we connect, and massive online marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are at the forefront. These platforms act as a global hub, connecting talented individuals like you with clients from every corner of the world. They handle logistics like payments and communication, creating a secure environment for you to offer your services. You simply create a profile, showcase your skills, and start finding work. So what kind of services can you offer? The answer is almost anything you can do on a computer. The demand is incredibly diverse. You could offer writing and proofreading from blog posts to website copy, or graphic design, creating logos and social media graphics. Video editing is huge, as is virtual assistants, helping entrepreneurs with admin tasks. You could also do social media management or even specialized skills like voiceovers or translations. And here's the most empowering part. You don't need a formal degree. What you need is a demonstrable skill and a commitment to quality work. Your portfolio and client reviews become your new resume. Now, for a crucial tip. When you're new, start by offering your services at a competitive rate. Your initial goal is to build a portfolio and collect positive reviews. Once you have a handful of glowing 5-star reviews, you've built social proof. You can then confidently increase your prices and attract higher-paying clients. This one's exciting because it's exactly what I'm doing here. There's something incredibly powerful about building a community online just by sharing what you know and love. It's a journey of creativity, connection, and financial freedom. YouTube is one of the best platforms for long-term income because your videos are evergreen. Unlike a social media post that disappears, a good YouTube video can be discovered for years, becoming a digital asset that earns passive income 24/7. It's a marathon, not a sprint, but the rewards are incredible. Here's how it works. First, create a channel with a simple niche you're passionate about, like cooking, gaming, beauty, or tech tutorials. Your enthusiasm attracts a loyal community. And don't worry about gear. Use your phone to record. The camera is more than enough to start. Just focus on clear audio and good lighting, like filming near a window. Valuable content always wins over fancy equipment. Next, upload videos consistently. This is crucial for the algorithm and for building an audience. Pick a schedule you can stick to. As you grow, you'll work towards the YouTube Partner Program. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 12 months, you can apply to have ads placed on your videos and start earning a share of the revenue. But here's a bonus. You don't have to wait to earn. From your very first video, you can use affiliate marketing. If you recommend a product you genuinely love, place an affiliate link in your description. When a viewer buys through that link, you earn a commission at no extra cost to them. It's a fantastic way to generate income while your channel grows. Another great option is digital products. These are items people can download instantly. So you only create them once, but sell them again and again. Examples include Canva templates for social media posts, ebooks on topics you know well, printable planners or checklists, guides for fitness, budgeting, or productivity. You can sell these on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Amazon Kindle. Imagine designing a set of Instagram templates. You could sell them hundreds of times without extra effort. That's called passive income, and it's one of the best ways to build long-term online earnings. If you enjoy teaching, you can turn your knowledge into money by tutoring online. Websites like Preply, Cambly, or TutorMe let you teach English, math, science, or even music lessons. Don't feel confident teaching? You can start with smaller side hustles. Online surveys on Swagbucks or Toluna app testing on user testing microtasks on Amazon Mechanical Turk. While surveys and small tasks won't make you rich, they're a simple way to earn extra cash and build your confidence before moving into bigger projects. The fifth and final method we're covering isn't a specific job, it's a strategy, a force multiplier that will supercharge every other method we've discussed. It's all about working smarter, not just harder. We're going to talk about the free and low-cost online tools that can save you dozens of hours each week and significantly boost your earning potential. Think of these as your secret weapons for building your online empire, accessible right from day one. First up is Canva. In the online world, visuals are everything. Whether you're creating a YouTube thumbnail that begs to be clicked, designing a beautiful digital product like an ebook, or building a professional portfolio to land freelance clients, Canva is your go-to design partner. It has a powerful free version with a drag-and-drop interface so simple, you don't need any design experience. It's packed with thousands of templates, fonts, and images to make your content look polished and professional from the start. Next, let's talk about ChatGPT. If you've ever stared at a blank page, suffering from writer's block, this tool will be your new best friend. It's an AI-powered assistant that can generate video scripts, blog posts, social media captions, and brainstorm endless content ideas in seconds. You can ask it to write a sales email to a potential client or even help you outline your entire digital product. It's like having a 24/7 creative partner and writing assistant on your team. And when it's time to get paid, you need a reliable way to handle transactions. That's where a service like PayPal comes in. It's a globally trusted platform that allows you to safely and easily receive money from clients or customers anywhere in the world. This breaks down geographical barriers so you can offer your services or sell your products to a global market. It professionalizes your business and gives both you and your clients peace of mind. Now, the real magic happens when you combine these tools. They create a seamless workflow that makes your entire online journey easier and more efficient. For example, instead of spending days agonizing over a video script, you can use ChatGPT to generate a solid first draft in minutes. Then, instead of hiring an expensive graphic designer for your thumbnail, you can hop on Canva and use a free professional template to create something eye-catching in under half an hour. You're saving time, you're saving money, and you're producing high-quality work. So there you have it. Those were the 5 best ways to start earning online in 2025. Let's do a quick recap. We covered freelancing, turning your existing skills into cash. We talked about starting a YouTube channel, building a brand around your passion. We explored selling digital products, creating assets that generate passive income. We looked at online tutoring and side hustles for direct and flexible earnings. And finally, we discussed using online tools, the essential strategy to maximize your efficiency and profitability. Now remember, the goal is not to do all of these at once. That's a recipe for burnout. The secret to success is to start with just one method that truly excites you. Focus on it. Give it your consistent effort, even if it's just a few hours a week. Stick with it, learn as you go, and be patient. Before you know it, you'll see that incomes start to grow. If this video gave you value and a clear path forward, please help our community grow by hitting that like button, sharing it with a friend, and subscribing to EasyOnline Start. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new videos packed with more tips for making money online. I'd also love to know, which method are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching and for investing this time in yourself. I'm excited for your journey. I'll see you in the next one.